Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best garden scooters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Pure Garden 82VY021 Garden Cart Rolling Scooter. This rolling scooter is ideal for any gardening enthusiast to alleviate back and knee pain when planting or weeding. In addition, this rolling cart can be used for other tasks around the home like painting, cleaning, car repair, more. This rolling scooter features sturdy plastic wheels that are 3 inch in diameter and can roll forwards and backwards on most level terrains. The lightweight materials also make it easy to lift and carry this scooter to the next project. The durable plastic construction of the 4 wheels gives an advantage over rubber tires, which could pop under pressure or puncture. The stainless steel structure is built to last through all climate conditions, whether rain or shine. The specially designed tool tray underneath the seat conveniently keeps small garden or household tools within reach. This strategically placed shelf is the perfect area to store gloves, spades, planting shovels, garden shears, and more. Seat dimensions: 11 x 11, 5 inches. Full dimensions: 13 x 18, 5 x 17, 5 inches. Tool tray dimensions: 16 x 12 inches. Weight limit: 200 pounds. Material: PVC plastic and stainless steel. Colors: black and green. Number 2. Our second best pick is Best Choice Products 4-Wheel Garden Cart. Make this multi-purpose mobile cart a go-to for a variety of home projects, perfect for carrying out tasks in your garden or yard, as well as painting and more. Designed with an adjustable swivel seat that prevents the need to crouch down or bend over while gardening, so you get relief for that aching back or knees. A convenient basket and tray are built into the mobile cart, helping to ensure there is ample space to hold gardening tools, gloves, and more. The front turn bar swings 90 degrees, allowing you to push/pull and steer the cart from one workstation to the next with minimal effort. Heavy-duty metal seat sits atop a sturdy, powder-coated steel frame and steel axles with 4-threaded, 10-inch rubber wheels that roll smoothly on various terrains. Dimensions: 17.5 x 33 x 23 inches. Weight capacity: 300 pounds. Number 3. Our third best pick is Peachtree Garden Cart Rolling Work Seat. Peachtree Garden Scooter is built with a heavy-duty steel frame, constructed of powder-coated finish, rust-resistant and waterproof, and has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, a great lawn care tool to assist with planting and gardening. The rolling tractor garden chair is of 360-degree rotation to satisfy your various working needs, while solid steel axles and durable wheels provide complete mobility in spite of a smooth or rough road. The garden cart seat is height adjustable to help you with different garden projects, with the extendable steer handle moving your cart from one place to another easily. Versatile as it is, the rolling scooter equipped with tool tray and basket can be served as a stool seat when having a barbecue, a storage cart for garden supplies, a movable chair to help with car washing. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sunnydaze Garden Cart Rolling Scooter. Lawn cart is made from heavy-duty powder-coated steel with a matching extendable handle and utility basket. The plastic tray is a perfect place to store gardening or work tools. The seat on the tractor scooter features a 360-degree swivel motion so you can completely rotate as you work. Steel axles and pneumatic wheels ensure that you can count on the utility cart to last through many years of landscaping and outdoor projects. This steel cart is easier on your lower back, and the tray gives you a great place for your tools. Can also be used in the shop, on the ranch, or at the farm. 31-inch long not including the handle, 42 to 47 inches with extendable handle, into 18-inch wide into 22-inch high, weighs 30 pounds, 330-pound weight capacity. Adjustable height seat ranges from 16.5 inches high to 22 inches high, so you can easily find a comfortable height for working in the shop. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Kinsunny Garden Cart Rolling Work Seat. Kinsunny Garden Scooter is built with a heavy-duty steel frame, constructed of powder-coated finish, rust-resistant and waterproof, and has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, a great lawn care tool to assist with planting and gardening. The rolling tractor garden chair is of 360-degree rotation to satisfy your various working needs, while solid steel axles and durable wheels provide complete mobility in spite of a smooth or rough road. The garden cart seat is height adjustable to help you with different garden projects, with the extendable steer handle moving your cart from one place to another easily. Versatile as it is, the rolling scooter equipped with tool tray and basket can be served as a stool seat when having a barbecue, a storage cart for garden supplies, a movable chair to help with car washing. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.